Hi, my name is Jordan Harris. I know a lot of people right now are in a tough financial spot. A lot of people have been laid off, and there's a lot of people who are probably going to be laid off in the near future. So if you are one of those people who are in a bad spot right now financially, there's one industry that I want to point you in the direction of that is extremely future proof. It's really low cost to get into, and the demand for it right now is extremely high. So if you're wondering what that industry would be, it's the janitorial industry. I would strongly suggest anyone who's not working or anyone who thinks that their job may be in jeopardy to consider opening up a business in the janitorial field. The reason why, first, like I said, it's future proof. And what that means is it's going to be around for a very, very long time. So it's going to be a while before someone creates a robot that can do everything that a janitor can do in a nightly basis. So that's walking around, vacuuming all the floors, sweeping and mopping all of the hard floors, cleaning toilets, emptying trash cans all over the place. So it's a lot of different things that a robot would have to be programmed to do that I'm thinking most likely won't happen within the next 100 years or so. But who knows, right? So number one, it's future proof. Number two is that it's really low cost entry. So that means you can just go out like I did. I went and bought a $45 vacuum a few years ago, 5 years ago, actually, March 2015. I went and bought a $45 vacuum, just started knocking on doors all over the place, asking if I could, be considered to be their cleaning group. And a few people, a few companies, went ahead and signed us up. And now we're at 40 employees or so, and we do about $1 million a year in revenue. The demand is extremely high right now, like I said before. So the demand, people are calling and asking to have things disinfected right now. So we just earlier this week and last week and the week before that even, we've been doing a lot of disinfecting jobs for $200 an hour, believe it or not. So like I said before, it's future proof, low cost entry, and extremely high demand. So that's all the information I have, for you today. Once again, I'm Jordan Harris. I appreciate your time. Thank you and God bless.